So good day everyone. My name is Mary Kolyama together with my group members Ryan and Ivan. So we developed a project entitled School Courses Management System using objective-oriented programming in Python. So the purpose of the system is to demonstrate how objective-oriented programming principles can be used to build a simple application that manage student, teachers, and courses. So our system allow us to create, manage student and teachers and courses with schedules, register student into courses, and display courses schedules. So in this part, I will explain the concept of encapsulation used in our program. So encapsulations refers to the process of restricting direct access to an inheritable data of a class. This help that protect the data and ensure that it will be modified through a specific method. So, in our program, encapsulation can be seen into a student class where we create a privileged variable called double underscore courses. So, this variable stores the list of courses start student and registered because it is declared as privilege. It also cannot be successful directly outside in the class. So, instead, we create a method such as registered courses to add courses and show courses, to display the courses and ensure that the data is managed safely within the class. So now, Ryan will explain the concept of inheritance used in our program. That's all. Thank you.
Good day. I will explain the concept of inheritance used in our program. Inheritance allows a class to inherit properties and method from other class. This helps reduce duplicate code and allows us to show exiting functionality. In our system, we create a base class called person. This class contain common attributes such as ID and ID number and name. The student class and teacher class both inherit from the person because this is they automatically access to attributes and methods define the person class. For example, both student and teacher can use the gent details method that was defined in the person class. By using inheritance, we make the code more organized and maintain our system. Next, Ivan will explain polymorphism and demonstrate how the system works.
So, good morning sir, good evening sir, good day sir. Ako di si Ivan Junior Cambilacag. So, ako mag-explain sa concept sa kung polymorphism nagagamit sa buang system. So, ang polymorphism sir, nag-allow siya og method to behave differently depending sa object na ginatawag ani. So, in our system sir, ang polymorphism is demonstrated through the get details method. So, ara siya sir, get details kani. Get details, get details. So, ang person class na to sir as a general na get details method. However, sa ton teacher class, kinagi ano siya like nagi-override na to ang method ni teacher class tungod kay ano man sir para ma-apply na to ang polymorphism. Kung ang kaning nga method man gud sir is nag-display lang siya og like information nga such as subject nga nagitaught sa atong teacher. So gi-override na to siya kay para ang kanang pag ato siyang gi-override because when the same method is called sa ato ang student object, nag-display lang siya og basic details lang like name and ID. Pero pag atong tawagon na ang teacher object, nag-show na gid siya og much more detailed information like name, ID, and subject. So, this demonstrates a method overriding or a form of polymorphism. So sir, ato siyang i-run sir para makita nato kung unsa ang kung asa ang polymorphism. So ara siya sir, polymorphism na to sa example sir. So makita natin diya sir nga pas ni Juan de la Cruz, ang name niya ang naka-display lang dito is wala. So while dria ang nag-display sa teacher is ang apil lang niya mga apil lang yang subject nga gitudlo. So sir, try na to mag-add og isa ka student. So ato na siya i-copy. Atin ito siya. Ito siya i-change into student 3. And system add. System add. 3. And then student 3 course 1. Copy. Course 1. Student 3. Python school system.py. So ara sir, nakita nato sir nga atong add ng student is naka-register sa courses nga programming 1 ug ang ID niya is S002 ug yung name is Laria Santos. So mura na sir, and thank you very much.